It's a wild place, this Denver, man. It's a wild place. I was walking in, someone got a dog in here, yo. Who brought the dog? You got a dog, right? Are you blind? You're not blind? No. So what do you need that dog for? Now I gotta know about this shit. Because we're going very far with the dogs, man. How big is the dog, first of all?
It's pretty big, 65 pounds.
65 pounds. I'm a man, so I don't know how much pounds looks.
Like this big.
Like, you ever have a girl tell you how much she weighs and you haven't seen her, and you're like, I don't know what that is. I don't know how much of that is titty. Is most of it titty? I don't. Okay, so your dog that you brought to the show.
Yes.
That I have to be honest is incredibly well behaved.
Thank you.
Can you bring it up here? This is a real dog, bro. So, come here, sweetheart. Come here. Come here. Snuggle bear. Snuggle bear. Come here. So, guys, what I usually do the first show of a weekend is sacrifice a pet. So, y'all ready for some Vietnamese barbecue later tonight? I saw you licking your lips at that shit. You see him, bro? Snuggle bear my ass. That's lamb chops. That's what that. That's crazy. Y'all just let a dog in here, man. Whoa. I've never seen anything like that. So what happens when you're not with the dog? Like, you need that dog for everything, right, miss?
Yes.
So, like, what happens when you're fucking? Is the dog just in the room licking your boyfriend's toes and shit? It's the weirdest threesome you've ever had in your life.